up? This is not my usual video, but I hope to do more of these videos for you guys. So this is a video of a quick shopping haul we did for Thanksgiving. So stay tuned to see what we got. So as you can see on the receipt, we went to the Lake City Farmers Market. It's our local farmers market in our community. We live like 5 to 7 minutes from it. So I was going pretty fast in here, but I tried to get some footage for you guys. So I hope you all will appreciate it and watch this video to the end. The community that I live in is mostly Asian. They're Vietnamese. So it's a mixture of Asian, Caribbean. So this farmer market carries a wide variety of things. Okay, do you see these oxtail prices? So let's get into it. So I was mainly getting stuff for Thanksgiving prep. So here I am just picking up some things, and I had to go pretty fast because I walk up in this store at 7:15 and they close at 9, as if I own the store, and I was getting a bunch of stuff which was going to take some time. But the prices are good here. They have a wide variety. They have an aisle dedicated to the Caribbean. So we definitely love going here and be spending too much. But stay tuned with me to see all the stuff that we got. I love Jumbling. I haven't Jumbling in a while, so I definitely got some of that. So it was just, I was just going so fast because I'm like, oh my god, I need to make sure I get everything I need on my list for Thanksgiving and that I don't miss anything. Look at banana chips. But here I'm just scrolling through the aisles. I'm heading over to the meat section. So let's go see what they have over here. So they have some Cornish ends. But I was definitely looking at it. I've never cooked Cornish end before, so I was like, considering, should I get some and try? And I'm like, oh, my phone fell right here. But I was definitely looking like, should I? Oh, Lord, help me. I'm trying to vlog and do grocery shopping. But this was so fun. God, I love shopping for groceries and looking at everything and just going with the flow. But I end up not getting the Cornish and I thought I'll try it next time, and let's just focus on my Thanksgiving menu and getting exactly what I need for that. But they do have a wide variety of meat and stuff, and I just love coming here. And they have a huge seafood section, but we didn't go over there because I'm not doing any seafood for Thanksgiving. These are some of the stuff they have in the meat section and their prices. Chicken foot, whoop whoop, chicken bok, and they have, I don't eat that. I don't even know what it is. Lord help me. Chicken neck. I definitely got this, the sriracha mayo. Definitely want to try that. Here I am coming back for some bell pepper. I forgot that when I was over this section. There go the child. And here I am rushing to go get some onions because I forgot to get them when I was in this section. But this farmer's market is awesome, and I love the variety and that they cater to everybody in the community that is surrounding them. Yum. All the ground provision that you miss. And that's why when I come here, I be spending too much because I'm like, oh, let me get this. Oh, I missed this from back home. But here we are checking out and putting the stuff up on the belt. And here's our basket. It was so heavy. But I definitely got everything that I needed and nothing was missing. So that was good. And home we go. So for my Thanksgiving, I will be making some curry oxtail. I'll be making some lemon honey short ribs or rib tips, and I'll be making some fried chicken. I did use some of those ingredients that I got and make a green seasoning. It will be on my channel tomorrow, so look out for that. I will definitely link it in this video in the description, but this is my meat seasoned and ready for go for Thanksgiving. So I put them in some Ziploc bag and into the fridge they go till Thursday because I need my meat to be well seasoned, well marinated, because we come in with the flavor. Thank you guys for watching this quick Thanksgiving preparation video. See you on the next one. This is our final receipt in total. Thank you guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.